In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Stripe account to access the right dashboard based on the setup you have. Whether you're managing a standard Stripe account, this is all about making sure you get where you need to be quickly and efficiently. To start, let's navigate to the right place. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to stripe.com login. You can also go directly by typing in dashboard.stripe.com or using this link. https://dashboard.stripe.com/login. These URLs will take you straight to the login page where all the magic happens. Now, once you're on that page, the first thing you'll want to do is enter your registered email and your password. It's important to use the email associated with your Stripe account, so double-check that if you have multiple emails. Entering the correct combination will move you along without any hitches. Security is a top priority, and Stripe uses two-step authentication to keep your information safe. After your email and password, you'll need to complete this two-step authentication process. You might do this via a code sent to your mobile phone through SMS, or perhaps you use an authenticator app that generates a time-based code. Either way, follow the prompt to get through this essential security step. It's a small but crucial step to keep your account fully protected. If you have set up passkeys, which is a biometric login option, you can use those as an alternative way to access your account. This could be through a fingerprint or facial recognition, depending on your device. If you haven't yet set this up and are interested in a faster login process, consider looking into it for future use. Once you've successfully navigated all the login steps, you'll find yourself in your Stripe dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your payments, deal with customer data, check invoices, and plenty more. It's designed to be intuitive, but of course, take your time to explore all the features that are available to help you run things smoothly. Here's a little tip for those who prefer more streamlined processes. If you'd rather log in with your Google account, you might see an option to sign in with Google on the login page. This is a handy feature if you want to simplify the sign-in process, and it's only available if you've enabled it in your account profile beforehand. Hopefully, this has been a straightforward guide to getting you signed into your Stripe account. Whether you're here to manage transactions, customers, or simply to explore its functionalities, having the right access is your first step. Thanks for joining me, and happy navigating in your Stripe environment.